just like Holy Mary, Mary on a cross. Not just another Bloody Mary, Mary on a cross. If you choose to run away with me, I will teach